Let's get started with LessonPix. Hello, friend. How do you get started with LessonPix? First, you will need an account. You can try the basic features without being a member to see if it's what you need. Take it for a test drive. But your material will have a big watermark on it. Click Sign Up Now to start your membership. You can pay with a credit card or PayPal, or if you are signing up as part of a group license, include the promo code, and there should be no fee. As a member, log in from anywhere, your phone, your tablet, Mac, or PC. Now you can get started creating custom materials. Search for your pictures and drag them to the tray. Click Create Materials, choose your template, and customize. Ta-da! Custom materials anytime, anywhere.